Hey Superfly, how you doing? So going with the nitrogen laser. I have the same page as before. This gives me the basic idea of how to do it, but I mean, a little confusing, so I researched more and I was able to find this video. Now I'm not going to show the whole thing, but I mean, you get the idea. Like it gives you step-by-step instructions, which will make it, very simple to figure out how to build. And then by the end of it, it's shooting lasers. So that drew me in. I'm definitely doing lasers, but this isn't the only way to build a nitrogen laser. So like I found this other site giving this list of things you need to do, and it gives you instructions on how to do it. So I thought that was kind of cool. Maybe so then I strayed from just doing one type of nitrogen laser. Then I thought, okay, how about if I do three different nitrogen lasers using different materials, and then I could measure the different and just measure the differences between them, like the different wavelengths and all this stuff, like just seeing the effects of the laser based on the different tube lengths and the materials you use, and yeah, all this, all these variables. So I'm still looking, but I'm thinking I could find many more different types of lasers that I want to build. And I had one more. No, that was it. But yeah, and it's none of the stuff obviously is gonna cost over $500. Like all this stuff is typical household items. The only thing that is still questionable is that battery that we were talking about, the power source. Yeah, the DC power source, but that's yeah, if you don't already have one, it's not going to be that it's not going to be over $500. One more thing. Where was it? Oh, and then your typical home-built nitrogen laser assembly. I mean, another diagram of how to do one, but it looks a little more complicated than the others. But yeah, that's three. That's one, two, three different lasers I can build, and then I can test the differences in class. So, yep, that's what I'm thinking right now. Get back to me.